Anuva, while we are trying to do that, I have a question. Uh, in
Yes,
which
please.
all cases, I mean, I want to understand from architecture perspective, like when are applications deployed on BTP and in what setup usually like we decide to deploy it on on-prem. I think like if for a very limited very non-complex environment where everyone is using backend system, they decide to deploy on on-prem, right? But what could be the scenarios where customer decided, where the client decide that we should be using BTP as our platform and we should be deploying apps there?
Okay, let me give an example with practical real life scenario.
Yeah.
Meet Tarun. Tarun is operating a paper product manufacturing company called Eon Products. They are making paper cups, paper glasses, paper plates, manufacturing and packaging material on paper carton boxes. Yeah. Now, Tarun is using SAP ECC or SAP S4HANA as their internal ERP system. Whenever he get work from customer, he create a sales order. His consultant create sales order. They get created in the database. Now, once the sales order is received and confirmed and approved, the actual work in the factory starts. In the factory, he has manufacturing equipments and machinery, heavy machinery with conveyor belts and millions of dollars of investment in big factory and tin shed yard where the products are manufactured. He got recently an order from Sun Pharmaceutical Company, one of the biggest India Sun Pharma company. I mean, medical or what do you say, pharmaceutical company from India to manufacture 10 million boxes of their signature drug, which they would like to ship in the market with, let's say, some kind of silver foiling. It's a big order. At the same time, customer says these 10 million boxes should be delivered in a batches of 3 million, 2 million, and 5 million. First month, he want 3 million. Then second month, he want 2 million. And then maybe at the end of year in December, he want it together 5 million boxes in a batch. Now, Tarun is still not that big company. He cannot manufacture even 1 million boxes or even 3 million boxes together. So what Tarun does, he creates multiple jobs. On this machine, a machine can process anything as a job. So he puts a job. So one job can process up to 10,000 box at a time. So to fulfill 3 million order, 300 into 10K. These many 300 jobs he has to put it in the machine. But customer is constantly calling Tarun and asking, hey man, where is my order? Hey man, where is my order? Hey man, what's going on in your factory? How many boxes are ready? Tarun is disturbed. Like Sun Pharma, he has 100 more customers and they are all constantly bugging him. What is happening to my order? Where is this? What is going on? Now, Tarun's sales data is in sales order table in SAP. Now, he would like to create an application, a mobile application or desktop application, which he would like to give access outside his organization to Sun Pharma, to the customers. So, should Tarun create an application deploy in S4HANA and give VPN access to all their customers to his internal S4HANA server? What do you think?
No.
Then what to do? There comes BTP into picture. So BTP is a public cloud platform. Tarun can hire one of the Anubhav training team member Or he can hire or give contract to Anubhav Training. And he can say, I want to create a application which is deployed in cloud. So I don't have to give VPN access of everyone to my S4 system. Now this application will be able to connect to my factory, and it should be able to get real time information of the batch jobs which are running on my factory, because there is a foreman who's working on this machine, and this foreman can insert data in the S4HANA with a custom database table. How many jobs are running, which job is this, what is the job count, what is the batch count, when the job started, when the job will be ending, what's the timeline, how many packaged products will be created, how much paper is being used, how much foiling is being used, what is the dimension I'm printing, how many jobs will be printed, is there any overtime. It's a custom table. So what you do is you have this information in custom table in S4HANA. Plus you have the sales order data also there. So you can create a BTP application, and you can create an API in S4HANA which give controlled access of the data to this BTP application. So in BTP, you will create a side-by-side extension application which pulls the data from this S4HANA system. Remember, in a controlled manner. You not want to pull everything. Now this way, you will giving controlled access of data to outside, and there's no VPN required. Customers can directly access this application in the public cloud. Plus, it also leverages the cloud security from SAP for the application. So it can read some data from there. Plus some, let's say customer put some complaint, or customer say want to put some comment and feedback in the middle. Yes. Customer want to halt the job or give some feedback, or want to see the photo of the prepared products already, or want to create a partial delivery request. In that case, you can then involve also BTP database. So any customer centric data which is not relevant for your system, you can store it in the cloud. And then you can also again build another app like a dashboard application with this BTP data to give access to Tarun a real-time information about customer feedback on the jobs. Hence integrating all his entire factory operations, running it online through the applications, and he will stop getting calls from these 100 customers about the status of their jobs. So with this integrated approach, you can build a hybrid solution which can still remain connected to controlled access of your company data, plus data storage in the cloud, plus a customer centric application which is available directly on the internet without giving access of your internal company application to through the VPN to external participants. You can build a side by side extension application, and that's where you can use either wrap, or you can use cap, or you can use build apps. All options are open for you. I hope I was able to give you an idea when to go with cloud based development and when to go with on premise based development.